Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, in today's video, we're going to be installing a phone booster into the back of the FJ here. Another YouTuber I know, Steve from FJ Touring and Camping up in Queensland, has got one in his FJ. I thought, well, if it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me. So this is the Cel Fi Go Smart Signal Repeater. So boost your phone signal. It won't make a phone signal out of nothing, it'll just boost it. So we've got to install the unit itself. I've downloaded the little app that you need. I've got a big antenna to put on the back of the car. So let's open up the box and have a look, see what's inside, and get started on the install, eh? All right, let's go. Okay, let's just see what's in these boxes. Now, I've taken it out of the other box, and this is the box that was inside the box. And what do you get in here? You get some hardware, some screws and things. You must register your products. You've got to have to download that little app I told you about before. And I always like this when it says a quick start guide. So that is basically how to install it. Can't be that difficult. Only needs a little cigarette lighter thing to get it put in. That's the unit itself there. It's pretty flash. That'd be the outward, that's the inside antenna. That's the outside antenna, so the antenna coming into the unit. Just has a little power connection there for your cigarette lighter or power source, whatever you want to call them these days. Apparently it draws about 0.5 of an amp, so you can obviously turn it on, turn it off as you need to. This will only get plugged in when I'm in the car, obviously, and driving down the road and going out on a trip. Some other stuff that came with it is these are all your connections. So that's your cigarette lighter one, which is pretty cool. And that's your internal antenna there. And obviously, another thing, came with an external antenna, which plugs in the back. That's going to be put into the, I've got a bracket on the back of the FJ here, I'm going to put that onto. It's designed for Australian conditions, it says, so we'll see how it goes. So let's get some stuff sorted and get this installed. I've got an idea where I want to install the unit itself is just in the back here, up against the wall here, you know, just up in here somewhere. I'll work it out, the exact spot I want it, because I want to be able to access it to see little lights and things like that if anything goes wrong. All right, so let's get started, eh? Oh, I'm excited. It's in. It's simple. So simple, even I could do it. The instructions are well written. You know, you don't have to do any special wiring or anything like that. It's basically just a plug and play system. What I'll do now is I'll just run you through what I did to get it into the FJ, and we'll go from there. All right, let's go. So it's pretty simple. The antenna's in here. I've had this bracket for some time, never really used it. Antenna went on all right. I've got a bit of play here, so there's no tension on the wire into the antenna at all. So what we'll do is we'll just go around and have a look around the inside of the car. And I'll show you what we did in there for that antenna. Pretty simple. I've still got my bit of play there. Just wired it up down to there, through the grommet, inside the car, up, along, and into the unit itself, which is just here. And she's up and going. It's pretty cool. I'm still using the cigarette lighter for it, which is fine because I can switch it off individually without a problem. The internal antenna, it's just here. What I did is I just ran the antenna up and through there. So I'll quickly show you that. Go have a look. Hang on. So I just ran that wire through there, the cable that is, up and around underneath the little grommety thing there. So it's all tucked away along here, around that, up and then down to there. And that's where I ended it. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that one. Just close these suicide doors because they're pretty cool. So that's as easy as it gets. Plug and play. I found it simple and easy to do. Don't forget, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys. See you then.